Today we're out here in a neighborhood called the Enclave at Potranco Oaks, where Texas Homes is the exclusive home builder here in this community. Now they have several inventory homes available, a few of which are move-in ready, and some that are slated to be completed by as early as March, April, or June. As some of you may know, my name is Frank Ruiz, your San Antonio real estate agent, and I'm a new construction and relocation specialist. So if you're thinking of making a move to San Antonio, I would love to assist in any way I can and just be a resource of information for you. Now, before we take a look inside, feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell as I'll be putting out new property tours each week. Now, let's go ahead and take a look inside. Today we're going to be looking at Plan 2110 by Texas Homes. Now this home is 2,110 square feet and features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. As you can see on the exterior elevation, there are overhangs above the front window and garage door, which are nice added accents. This home features an exterior courtyard with an 8-foot stucco wall that is only accessible through the interior of the home. This is an award-winning luxury home builder, and they have reduced prices on several of their inventory homes, including this one that we're about to take a look at. If you are interested in this home or any other homes this community has to offer, feel free to reach out. My contact information is on the screen and in the description below, and I hope you enjoy this tour.